Hi, my name is Lito. I'm a parent makeup artist and trainer of International Academy S. In this video, I will show for you the Pigment BB color and my favorite mixes for the lips.
Color? Thank you!
Let's start. The first color in our palette is Nude. And look at this color. Nude color is the most natural shades and the lightest one in our palette, and as you can see, it have nude light effect. You can use this color for light lips. Second one, it's Soft Rose. Look at this beauty. This color has called pink pigment, and you can see that you can use this color also for light lips.
Rose.
Third one, Glam Kiss. You can see that this color has very natural effect, like natural lips, and has warm effect. Let's look on this one. And you can use this color for cold lips too. Next pigment is Pure Rose. This color is intensive cold effect pink color, and as you can see, it can be also with a cold healed effect. Please never use this color for cold lips and dark lips.
My cherry lips.
Our next pigment is Cherry Lips. Cherry Lips, let's look on this one. You can see it's like very bright and has red rosy effect. And also it depends on type of skin. On cold skin, it will heal more rosy, and on warm type of skin, it will heal more warm. Our next one is Coral. Coral, very bright, warm effect, and you can use this color for any type of skin. Look at this.
It had very red lips.
And our last one is DLC. It's Dark Lips Corrector. You can use this color for dark lips and for cold lips too. For light and warm lips, you can use pigment Nude, Soft Rose, Glam Kiss, Pure Rose, Cherry Lips and Coral. For cold and bluish lips, please use Pigment Glam Kiss and Cherry Lips and Coral. For dark lips, please use our last one, DLC, or also you can use our secret mix. It will be 3 drops of orange, it will be 1 drop of white and 4 drops of diluter.
And mix, 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 mix.
And now I will show you my favorite mixes of this pigment. Nude color can be added to any other pigment in our line for more nude effect. Let's look how it's working. For example, I prefer to work with mix nude and plus a little bit soft rosa. You can mix this pigment like 50-50%. Also, you can use a little bit more nude or a little bit more soft rosa. And look at this beautiful pigment. This mix, it's kind of something between of these two.
Rose!
My next favorite mix is Nude plus Glam Kiss. Let's look on this mix. Nude and Glam Kiss. The same, I can add these mixes like 50-50%, or sometimes I can add a little bit more Glam Kiss to this mix. You see? And this color, as you can see, it's 2 mixes of this pigment, but it's not too bright like this one. It's a little bit has nude effect. My next favorite mix, it's nude 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. And you can add pure rose 1 drop. And look on this magic. And if you compare these 2 pigments, it can be more like nude effect pure rose. My next favorite mix is soft rosa and pure rose. And you see, it depends how intensive would you like to get this mix. And sure, for example, sometimes you can add more like 70% of soft rosa and less pure rose. Or if you want more pure rose, you can add more pure rose. For example, in this mix, a little bit more pure rose.
Color Winterberry.
And my last favorite mix of Be Bright pigment, it's Cherry Lips and Coral. It's for ladies who prefer to have warm effect and a little bit rosy too, and have bright lips. And look now. And you can see it's something between of these two. And one more secret from me, it's you can use diluter. Diluter you can add to any other pigment. For example, I prefer to use diluter for pure rose, and it can be like more transparent effect for healing. And sometimes I'm using diluter when I'm doing borderless lips or aquarelle lips or lip blush. If I don't need very precise contour, I can use 50% of diluter and 50% of any other pigment, and your contour will heal more transparent.
Lips are different.
Also, I would like to share with you my experience how to work with dark lips, and if your client would like to get more cold pinkish result. Look at the picture with amazing cold healed result. This lady is from India. We did for her 3 procedures, and first one I did with DLC, the next one I did with Coral, and just next one, third one, I did with Pure Rose and Cherry Lips.
Nice color.
Recommendation for the clients. Tell the artist which color would you like to get for your lips. You can bring on the procedure your favorite lipstick or pencil.
This lipstick.
BB color are concentrated pigment. The retention and healed result will be 70 or 80%. Please write in the comment which pigment and mixes you like. Experiment with the color and find your favorite mixes. There are many products now on the market. Try and choose your favorite one.
Want to buy things.
If you like BB color and if you like their mixes, you can buy them from me. Just contact me on Instagram, Facebook or email. If you're a PMU artist and would you like to improve your skills, please contact me too, links below. Hope this video was helpful for you. In the next video I will show you my best mixes for the eyes.
Favorite color.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.